You are going to love the 2021 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.